Hello and welcome to FMRevu, your source for mediocre amateur reviews. Today I will take a quick look at the high quality UHF wireless microphone, model P11. Included in the box is the UHF wireless microphone, a receiver, a head-mounted ear hook, an audio adapter, a charging cable, and a user manual. You also get an illustrated diagram of each part and the instructions on how to connect and use the device. The front of the box mentions that this has a fast transfer speed, USB charging, it's made of high quality material, and can be used for ultra long distances. This can be used for voice amps, multimedia systems, home theaters, power amps, and portable speakers. The information on the box lists the technical specs. The input is 5 volts, the sensitivity is -44 decibels. The frequency is 2.4 gigahertz to 2.48, and the directivity is a single direction. Now let's take a closer look at the head-mounted ear hook. This is a lightweight and flexible frame. The inside has metal. On the outside you have a coating of plastic which protects and offers a level of comfort. You do have a protection from the metal on the tip, and on the side you have connection hardware for your transmitter. The receiver has a flexible boom arm, a windsock, and power buttons for on, off, volume up and down. You also have a charging port and your connection area for your ear hooks. And now I'll connect the transmitter onto the head mount. Take a few minutes and see what the position is on the inside and on that side. You just line those up accordingly. They'll snap in place, and then you slide it forward. And now you can see what it looks like when it's assembled. You also have an alternative wearing position to where this can go behind your head and your boom goes to your mouth. And if you turn it over the other direction, you can have this where it goes above your head and the boom goes toward your mouth. And here's a quick look at the receiver. It's very small and lightweight. It has a 3.5 millimeter end. You have a charging port and an on-off switch. The transmitter and receiver both have identical sides where you have your USB charging port and your on-off switch in the same position. To connect these, you simply power them on, flipping the switch in the on position, which is up, and you see that the lights come on. And now they are paired and connected. Green light means powered on and connected. One great feature that this offers is these are factory paired, meaning there is no connection that you have to do once turning them on. And just in case you're using this with voice amps, portable speakers, power amplifiers, or stage electronics, you do have an adapter. This goes from 3.5 millimeter to 6.5 millimeters. And you would plug that into your receiver. It is worth noting that you have a USB adapter, but it's 2-prong, which reduces clutter and space when plugging this into a wall adapter. And you can charge both at the same time, allowing them to be charged fully at the same time. And now it's time for a sound test. I've been recording this video using my lavalier mic connected through my camera using a 3.5mm connection. Here is a sample sound test of my camera's onboard microphone. Here's a sample sound test using the transmitter and receiver. High quality UHF wireless microphone, P11. Multi-purpose, no setting, no noise, ultra long distance. And now you can see what this looks like in a practical application. I'll be doing some moves just to see how well the sound comes through and give you an idea of what I'll be using this for as I lead martial arts classes and workouts. Punch, 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 punch. Kick, 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 punch, kick, punch, kick, punch, kick, punch, kick, punch. And now you can see what it looks like as I'm wearing this, going from left to right, moving my head. Sound left and right, up and down, left and right. And this completes the unboxing and review of the P11 wireless microphone. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for these awesome items in a future episode. If you watch this video and like this item, you can find it on Amazon.